Nashville Cotton and Linen is being promoted as a rustic, high-quality clothing brand focused on natural fabrics like cotton and linen. But the real question is whether it's a genuine boutique or just another themed online store. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Cotton and linen clothing brands are real, and there's strong demand for breathable, minimalist fashion. However, here's the key point. Nashville Cotton and Linen shows multiple signs commonly linked to low-trust or drop-shipping style clothing stores. There are some surface positives. The site usually features a clean, rustic aesthetic, natural fabric branding, lifestyle imagery and storytelling, attractive discounts. But these elements are often used to build quick credibility. There are several concerns. First, heavy discounting. The store often promotes large percentage discounts and limited-time sales, which is a common urgency tactic. Second, weak brand presence. There is little to no verifiable company history or independent reviews, which is unusual for a real clothing brand. Third, generic product sourcing. Many items appear similar to products found on wholesale marketplaces, suggesting they may not be original designs. Fourth, potential customer issues. With similar stores, buyers often report items not matching photos, lower quality fabric than advertised, difficult or costly returns. So, is Nashville Cotton and Linen real or fake? It's likely a real store that ships products, but not a trustworthy or established brand. The bottom line is this. Nashville Cotton and Linen shows strong signs of a marketing-driven or dropshipping style store, where expectations of premium cotton and linen quality may not match what you actually receive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.